I've already covered the Rocket 3 in some detail on this channel, but last weekend I got my first look at the bike in the flesh at the Bike Shed show in London. I managed to get this footage, although the lighting wasn't great, but here are my first impressions. It was somewhat tucked away at the show, possibly due to the fact that the Bike Shed is a custom motorcycle show, and I'm not sure that a factory custom truly fits the bill. But all the same, there was a steady stream of people trying to get a look at the bike. The first thing that really strikes you though is just how big it is. Of course, the original Rocket 3 isn't a small bike, but despite the new model being 40 kilograms lighter, it's still a huge machine. The front tyre is a 150/80 17-inch, just like the old model, and especially after I've been looking at retro motorcycles all day, it looked monstrous, in fact bigger than a lot of the rear tyres on other bikes on display. The seat looks massive and ought to be pretty comfy, whilst the tank was another part of the bike that surprised me with just how big it is. There's no word on the exact capacity yet, but the old Rocket's tank takes 24 litres of fuel, which is necessary to keep that 2.3 litre motor going for a reasonable distance, so expect something of a similar size. The finish on the TFC also looked great in the flesh. There's loads of carbon touches which really make it look special, some neat pieces of brushed aluminium trim which finish it off nicely, and I personally really like the black, carbon and gold finish on this bike, and the TFC Thruxton as well. The only thing that struck me as a little bit off is the digital TFT dash, which looks to be straight off the 1200 Scrambler, but on the Rocket 3 it sits in a slightly unusual position. It looks like it's standing a little bit proud, mounted beneath the bars there. You'd normally expect to see the dash above the bars and perhaps tucked in behind the fly screen, but on a bike of this size it might put it too far away, and also mounting it below the bars keeps the top line of the bike nice and low. It was great to get a good look at the bike at the show. From what I've seen on Instagram, the TFC Thruxtons are currently being delivered and mostly going straight out to the customers, so the TFC Rocket might be the same. Actually seeing one might be a rare experience. Hopefully there'll be more information about a production version soon. Let me know what you think of the bike in the comments below, and if you're new here and you want to see more Rocket 3 videos, hit subscribe and I'll see you next time.